Looks like a good spot. Go ahead and set security. I'll call us in a resupply.
Roger.
Echo 4, this is Delta 3. Set point Alpha, over.
This is Echo 4, roger. Begin mission.
Roger, out.
The warfighter, once they're out on the tactical edge, they're cut off from their supply base. They may not have everything they need, or devices or equipment may fail them and they need resupply. This vehicle allows us to conduct those resupply missions without putting soldiers in harm's way, and it does it without needing a large logistical footprint to support the aircraft.
The Autonomous Pod Transport APT-70 is a tail-sitter VTOL autonomous logistic platform. The aircraft takes off vertically and then quickly translates into an on-wing condition, so it looks like a biplane flying around. That does several things for you. It gives you increased range, increased speed, because you're essentially flying like a biplane instead of flying on the rotor system.
It's very easy to operate, low cost, very little maintenance, so it's able to fulfill those missions without adding a burden to the soldiers themselves.
First mission. We need a box of MREs, a case of water, a 4-pack of Bravo Alpha 5590 batteries.
It's really to get soldiers out of convoys and get them out of harm's way trying to deliver goods and supplies. It allows them to request that equipment or those supplies and get them quickly and efficiently.
Echo 4, this is Delta 3. Request permission to launch. 2 clicks. Over.
They have uniqueness in things like being more quiet. So the low signature, we reference a decibel level, or obviously no turbine engines making noise. But if you can imagine no heat source, makes it a very survivable aircraft. What guides our design is actually the 2-person rule, and that is nothing in the design or use requires more than 2 people, either to carry, to operate, or even the cargo itself. The APT, by its nature, supports personnel. It doesn't need to be supported.
Mission loaded, system green. Roger, clear to launch. Over.